Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with OnStar and Chevrolet Connect emergency communication system, lane change alert with side blind zone alert, front passenger four-way manual seat adjuster, cross traffic alert, Chevrolet Infotainment 3 system with AM/FM radio, heated driver and front passenger seat, front and rear park assist, integrated cargo liner, two-way power driver lumbar control, confidence and convenience package, and has less than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.